Hey there, people. How's it going? This is State of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Thursday night. Now, this is episode 352, Technical Analysis, Crypto, and Stocks. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, join us in the Discord. Links in the description. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'm active there. Thank you all for being here. I'm not sure who's watching, but if you're watching, you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub, right? Don't be a stranger. Again, those little things that are up there. What is up, Jake? How's it going, brother? Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Yes, rockets, bro. Andrew, how's it going, bro? Thank you for being here as well, man. Let's see if we can get a couple of subs in today, man. That would be awesome, right? Imagine we get to 250 today. That would be so amazing. Just making sure here everything is live and I'm broadcasting everywhere. I didn't have a chance to check the broadcasts. There we go, feedback. That's one of the broadcasts going live. Gilatorian, what is up, bro? And here, dude. Awesome, dude. Great, dude. We have everyone. People in the house. Yes. Let's jump into and see what's going on with the stuff in crypto, right? The technicals, that stuff. Right on. So, what are we doing, man? Market cap. Yesterday managed to close at the 20. Today opened slightly above that 20. Right? Managed to hold on to it even though we moved down and up. Right? We still rejected the 50% retrace. Which is not the best thing, right? We want to get above that area. Right now we're still facing it. We could get above it today, right? If money decides to flow into the cryptosphere. Right now, yesterday we're going up 1.19% or $3.94 billion. Right now we're going down 1.00 billion, so 1 billion. Sitting at $333.29 billion. Dude, that is so good right now, right? I can't complain about the market cap. I just wish it was climbing a little bit faster. More money could be flowing into cryptosphere. On that note, I don't believe we're doing anything yet. We might actually now be doing something here. Not usually what I want to look for, right? But look, technically this is high, right? So this is high, and I just don't want to cross the line, so I'll just go from here to here, right? And go from here to here. Finally, yesterday we managed to confirm that we're making this hidden bearish, right? That's what we're making right now. Let's get rid of that in the day hours, and let's make this. Aren't you might be wondering why are things in orange? Well, that's a simple answer. I did throw some lines out there today. Anyways, hidden bearish, potential moving down. Again, moving down, maybe hit that 20. If we manage to hold on to support there, that'll be great. We could try to go for another retest of that 50%. If we manage to move lower, then we'll be retesting that 382, right? So that's it for market cap. Let's go to Bitcoin dominance. Where is it at? It's sitting at 60.45% of market cap. Yesterday we had divergence. We talked about potentially losing dominance. We did. Managed to hold on to the 20 right now. It looks like we might want to go up again. I want Bitcoin to lose more dominance. It's usually better for the cryptosphere. It's sitting neutral at 49.22 on there. So again, yesterday it lost 1.27% and sitting at 60.54% of market cap. The price of Bitcoin at 10,914.80, man. Ain't that great? Dude, what are we doing here? Well, we don't have any kind of small positive intermediary, right? So everything is higher, right? High, lower, high. Positive, positive, less positive, high, lower, high, right? High, lower, high. Everything's good. We're still running off this this strong bullish divergence that we had developed back here, right? So on that note, we took a rally, right, yesterday. We talked about potentially moving down, right? Maybe retest of 10,837. We actually also wicked that 20, right? That 20 MA on the daily, which is good. We rejected it strongly, right? We did almost reject the whole body of the candle. We just lost 0.08%. That was towards the end of the day because we were slightly higher mid-afternoon, right? Right now, still moving down. So this movement down, where can it get us, right? Maybe a retest again of that 10,837. If not, the 20, right? That 20 sitting at a 20 moving average sitting at 10,718. If we hit there into this area, it could provide support for us to go higher. So again, retest here first. See if we manage to bounce, right? We're not doing anything else on the daily. Sitting neutral at 51.44 on that RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we called this bearish yesterday, right? So very likely hitting this area. Look, man, here on the 4 hour, beautifully closed there, right? That closing, 10,839. We are at 10,837, like $2 off, dude, right? Come on, for a $10,000 move, just to be $2 off, it's amazing, dude. It's like a fraction of a percent. Anyways, we knew we were gonna find support there. We also managed to find support at the 20, right? And we managed to move higher on that. Again, right now we're rejecting high, lower, high, positive, negative, high, lower, right? We don't have anything bearish. We could still be playing off this bearish divergence. We just developed this hidden bullish throughout the day. That's helping us to rally, right? We got hidden bullish at a support. That's where we're going higher. Now, when I was anchoring this, we were making a slightly more positive or negative momentum area there. But, you know, if we go there, it still plays out, right? It's beautiful. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD, right? So we're waiting for that movement up. We're getting it. Now we're getting to move down again, maybe for a retest of that 20. That 20 on the 4 hour, sitting at 10,862. If we break there again, a retest of 10,837. Very likely for us to do that. Sitting bought at 60.53. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, what's going on there, right? We had the bearish. We're like here live, right? Here, breaking below that. Look, rejection, move lower, and then move farther down. Right? On that move, we created hidden bullish and strong bullish, right? We have hidden bullish against the RSI and the MACD. And then we just have strong bullish against the MACD, right? So how are those and where are they? Well, I'll point them out in a second. I'm just making sure they're all yellow too. Right, so low, higher, low, negative. Again, I'm anchoring from this point, right? So low, higher, low, negative, more negative, right? I have to be anchoring there. Now here, low, right? Low, lower, low, right? We're getting that same move. Anyways, on that move, that's the hidden bullish, right? Then here, short term, against the MACD, right? High, lower, high, right? So negative, less negative. Low, lower, low. Right, that's what we're making. We're creating that strong bullish divergence. Sorry, hidden bullish, strong bullish. I'm not sure if I said bearish earlier. For some reason, I think I might have said bearish, dude. I'm not sure. But we were creating this hidden bullish. Now we're creating strong bullish, and that we're going on price action to the upside. We're getting that rally happening. That's great, right? High, lower, high. Positive is positive. High on the RSI, lower on the RSI. We don't have anything going on here, right? That is bearish. We're just creating this bullish. Last thing we had, strong bearish. That could still be a driving factor to the downside, but we do have this strong bullish here. Again, near support, managing to hold on, getting above that 20 right now. On the movement down, hitting the 20 right here on the 1 hour. And right now, starting to like try to take off from there maybe. We're starting to get a green candle. Tightness of the Bollinger Band starting to come in. Not too tight, but a little bit tightness there for sure. A couple people tuned in. Thank y'all for being here. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub, right? If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. You're going to enjoy this channel. So that's it for Bitcoin, right? Neutral at 51.93 again. Not a lot going on. And it wouldn't be weird if we started to make a sort of triangle here, right? Like here, lower high, and a higher low, and then a lower high still, and right, and start converging in a triangle. Might see a retest of 11,120 today. Dude, I'm not sure, dude. If we hold on to 20, if we hold on to this area of 10,800, yeah, we could try to get a retest of that 20. Cryptic, hope it was well. Ticker Solo, did you see any sorts of divergence? Releasing fleet vehicles news soon. Solo stock or Sologenic, the project? Still on the fence on that, dude. Just let me know which Solo you're talking about, because I have Solo, but the project, not sure if there's a Solo stock out there. But I'll check out that, dude, for sure. Steve S, am I late? No, we're just starting. We're just finishing Bitcoin. We can always round back to it a little bit later, right? I'm going to move on to Ethereum real quick, and then keep the show rolling. What is happening here on Ethereum, dude? Again, we had the divergence, the bearish, the hidden bullish, moving to the upside again. Today, managed to have a really good day on holding on to support, right? Look, beautiful holding on to the support at 364. Yesterday, managed to get above that 20 nicely. Right now, starting to move down. Again, a retest of the 20 would be in order. Solo stock, all right, cool, man. I'll write it down. That's actually the first request that comes in tonight. Yay! After I look at Binance, I'll look at Solo stock. For sure, my man. Cryptic Vision, dude. Shit, that pen's not writing. This one's working. There we go. Right on, bro. Right. So again, holding on to this area, getting above that 20. Great. We're in the middle of the channel, right? That 418 to 364. It looks like very likely in the middle. I'm not going to do any math, but again, it looks like a little bit, yeah, a little bit maybe lower in the middle, but more or less there. High, lower, high, positive was positive, high on their side, lower, right? Neutral at 51.96. Nothing on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour, we had the bullishness, right? The bullish divergence. Then we checked here. We didn't have it, right? Low, lower, low, negative, more negative. Low on their side, lower still. So again, you know, we managed to bounce. Bitcoin was going up. We were just going on with Bitcoin, or just following along with Bitcoin. Holding on to that beautiful support and then really taking off, right? This was yesterday, right? Look at that nice bar and then just continuation. Now, do we have something here? Yes, we do. And unfortunately, we're starting to create bearish divergence. Now, I'm not going to anchor it from way back here, although this is the highest point on that island. I'll just go from here to here. And it looks like we're making it. I'm just going to zoom in real quick and place a line here. Yeah, we're slightly higher, right? So again, we're going there. So going slightly higher and then coming in lower, right? I can anchor from here. I'll actually anchor from here. From one island to the next. Again, what are we creating right now? Oh, this is going to be on the 4 hour. Just let me anchor there. Strong bearish divergence, right? So if you guys haven't said it, strong bearish divergence action to the downside, right? That's what we would be, tongue twisted. That's what we would be expecting right now. Now, what do we have here, dude? Do we have it here? Doubt it, man. I doubt it. Right? High, lower high. So nothing. No, we do also. Snap. Yeah. There we go, right? I was about to skip it, man. Like, brain froze there for a second. Strong bearish against the MACD, against the RSI. Potential action to the downside again. Waiting for that movement down, right? Even here, we're probably still creating it. So I probably don't even have to go all the way back here. This would be 253, and this is 227, right? So look, I'll even anchor it from here. I'll give it that. We still have strong bearish, right? Pretty marginal, double top looking too. Pretty marginal. Yeah, dude, I agree, right? If we zoom out here again, I wouldn't call it. Yeah, we're coming from an uptrend, right? We could be looking for a double top here. Like I could argue that this would be a double bottom then, right? Like it looks like a W, right? So we could be getting the uprise on the double bottom. Again, I don't want to call double bottoms here. A double bottom I would be expected to see at least at 319 if we come down here again for a double bottom or a double top. I would like to see it higher, right? Not here where we're getting it at, but yeah, it could be a double top, right? Although double top, technically this would have been the other top, right? The other part of the top, like 1, 2, right? Remember, they look like M's. Right, double bottoms look like W's, and this looks a little bit more like a W, right? So, if anything, dude, really, this is just sideways motion. I would be waiting for continuation to happen here. We just have bearish divergence. We could play down to the 20, try to get a bounce there, and maybe go higher, try to hold support there. If we fail there, we have support at 316, or sorry, at 364, right? So, right, the double top, double bottom, again, right now, I'm not getting into that discussion for this. I don't believe. Right, this is very, very marginal also, right? And this is very marginal here as well. So, you know, whatever. It's just sideways motion. We're just boxing a sideways moving channel. So, you know, sitting bought at 60.65. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Last thing we had was bullish, right? We called that yesterday, 2 days ago, right? We've just been running on that. Again, managed to hold on support at 364. Then taking off. Now, we're creating strong bearish divergence here, right? High, higher high. I think whatever I traced on Bitcoin, I forgot to anchor on the 1 hour. Or maybe I just changed what I had, right? So maybe I didn't forget to anchor. So, yeah, it's long here. Great. Now, we don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD, right? Bearish divergence, action, downside again. That's what we'd be expecting to get. We're getting it. Near the 20 again, I would expect it to hit the 20 and try to go for a bounce. Sometimes we don't hit the 20 when we bounce, right? But again, we'd be expecting for a hit of the 20. Usually how it rolls, right? Sitting neutral at 59.21, and on that, starting to make negative momentum. Are we creating something kind of? Yeah, it's very marginal, but again, going higher and then coming in from negative to more negative. This is 0.10, this is 0.22, right? So going like that. So some hidden bullish, if you want to call this here. So let's go and check out XRP, man. What is XRP doing? What is the XRP doing, man? All right, we had the hidden bullish, rallying to the upside, rejecting the 20, right? XRP playing weak. FL, what's up, man? How's it going, man? Thanks for being here. Again, rejecting, opening, still struggling to get above that 20, right? Not too good. High, lower, high, positive, high on their side, lower. Nothing on the daily. Sitting neutral at 47.61. Let's go to the 4 hour. And on the 4 hour, we're calling for bearish divergence here. I'm not sure if we managed to get it. We probably killed it here, right? We didn't get it on this 4 hour candle as we were live. We just developed it, I think, later on, right? If I just go here, I believe we still have it, right? So we'll just go there, right? And we still have that. And here, we would also be getting that move, right? We didn't call it here because we're definitely going much higher on that positive momentum. But now that this has finished, we can see that we still have that. And that is strong bearish divergence section to the downside. Again, moving down maybe for that 20, right? A retest. That 20 right now at 24.27 cents. XRP sitting at 24.62 cents. 25.17 cents. I think I forgot to call XRP price. Anyways, right now, the next resistance below that, or next support below that, would be 24.62 cents, right? That's the one I called accidentally, instead of the price of XRP. So on that move again, sitting neutral at 59.08. Let's go to the 1 hour, right? Bearish divergence, moving down. Come on, 1 hour, load up, man. There we go. Last one we had was yesterday, a couple hours before we were live, right? I told you guys I don't like this. This don't look like good consolidation, right? Like I wanted to see like smaller movement down, and this was becoming like very evident that we're not gonna hold on. And we just took a massive movement down, right? Well, not massive. Massive for the short time scale that we're looking at, right? Look at that, right? Hitting that 20, struggling with it, right? That bullishness wanting to come into play. The strong bullish that we had still coming into play again, holding on. Strong bearish, again, trying to put pressure to the downside. We're just managing to hold on to the 20, and that's great right now for XRP. Low, higher, low, negative, less, negative. Low on the RSI, higher on the RSI. Nothing there, right? High to low, positive to less, positive, and high on the RSI to a lower point. Really not doing much. If anything, I would be concerned that we're starting to make a triangle, right? And then it's not even a big concern. It's just whether or not we're just making a symmetrical triangle and we might get a break. Again, tightness of the 1 year band starting to come in a little bit, but not too much, right? If we were to get a move here, we would expect to get a measure move, very likely, right? Maybe to the upside. And hit that 26.27 cent area, right? Get rid of that. I'll just leave the triangle. And on that note, I'll go check out Litecoin. What is up with Litecoin, right? Again, hidden bullish, trying to rally, but failing, not even getting to a 20. That we're starting to make positive momentum, which is very small positive momentum, and neutral at 42.21 on the other side. Nothing on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. What's happening on the 4 hour? We had the bearishness here, right? We just pulled down, right? It's one of those things that because we had it, we kind of lost it. Or maybe this is from another time scale, and I'm going to bet that this probably from the 1 hour. There we go, 1 hour, right? Look, it makes no sense where this one's floating here. So I bet they're probably going to be together, but we got so much pullback happening that we might have even lost it in the 1 hour. We had the strong bullish, getting us to the upside, hitting that 20 still, trying to get above it. Nothing bearish here, right? At least I think. Let's see. High, lower, high, positive is positive, high on the other side, lower, right? Nothing there. Again, the strong bullish is still at play, getting support at the 20, which is okay. We're testing it for the first time after we got above it. Let's see if we can close here and confirm that we're going to be above the 20 again, and maybe try to go for a rally from there, right? Let's go check out the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, what's happening? Come on, load up. I know there's a lot of lines. There we go. Right, this is what we're looking at. We still managed to hold on to this, which is okay, right? Slightly lower there, but there we go. Again, hidden bearish action downside. We moved down. We're live here again. I didn't like the consolidation. I told you guys it looked like we're gonna move down. We moved down. Lost a 20 briefly, right? Managed to rally a little bit. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative. Low on their side, higher, right? Low, high, right? What would be the previous low? This one here. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative still, right? So nothing I can anchor here really. And also nothing on the top, right? High to low, right? Low, then low, high, right? Again, more positive, higher on the other side. All things are good here. If anything, and if I were to ignore it, I could go from here to here. Yeah, I think this is the only thing I can call here, right? Going slightly higher here, and coming in lower from here to here, right? There we go. Some hidden bearish. That's what's moving us down again. Holding on to that 20 on the 1 hour, which is good, right? That's a good sign that we're rejecting lower prices, right? That nice support at the 20. Let's see if we can go for a bounce again and try to target higher areas of value, right? We're probably going to find resistances still. Maybe here, maybe here. But sitting neutral at 52.33 on the RSI. Let's go check out Binance. Binance on the daily. Again, not a lot happening, right? We had divergence. We moved down on that. Not even hitting the 20. I was really expecting for this to hit the 20 yesterday. We didn't get there. We haven't gotten there yet. And we're just looking for some indecision happening, right? Look, we made positive. We made negative. Right now we're trying to make positive. Again, indecision. Neutral at 58.06. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we had bearishness. We moved down. We had hidden bullish. We're trying to anchor too. And we didn't, we got the rally. We rejected the 20 and now we're moving lower. Which again, very likely what we were expecting to see, right? On rejection of the 20, we always say that we usually look for lower areas of value, and that's precisely what we got. Lower areas of value with less negative momentum, right? So we're creating some strong bullish divergence, actually to the upside. Right now we're testing the 20, failing to get above it. Let's see if we manage to get above that, then use it as support and try to go for higher prices. If we reject, we could be looking for lower prices on Binance. Neutral at 50.40, again, nothing against the RSI. Let's just go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, we had bearish divergence. We moved lower, right? That's what we were expecting to see. And we did, right? We're here live at 9 p.m. We just moved lower, right? Low. This low, this technically slightly higher. I was looking for some kind of hidden bullish, maybe. I'm not sure if we're going to get it. I'm going to have to zoom in here. And again, this is all one island. I would really have to be anchoring from here. So low, lower, low, right? So bought at 60.63. Again, going up. That's great here again, and let's check this out here. There we go, right? Slightly higher, man. I'm not going to call anything on Binance. I'm just going to be reserved. Maybe going up because the rest of crypto managed to go up a little bit, and it's just following suit. That would be the case. It would seem, right? That would be the case right now. We got a request earlier, so we're going to check out Solo stock, and we'll see what's going on with that. So, do I see any sort of divergence? Releasing fleet vehicles news soon. Alright, we'll check this out, dude. Definitely interested. So on the daily, right? I'm not going to look at it on a shorter time scale. I'm not planning on doing anything here that... high, lower, high, positive was positive, right? Low, lower, lower. Yeah, dude, with some strong bullishes there, right? Again, on the daily, even from here to here, right? Or even from here to here, whatever. Dude. However we want to draw this, we still have this strong bullish, even from back here, right? We just go from here to here, to be fair, and from here to here, right? So strong bullish. On this second part, I'm guessing that we might have it also. Yeah, we do. Right, look at that. Here we're sitting at 40.17, and here we're sitting at 41.10. So about 10 point or 1 point difference on the RSI to the upside. So we're creating that strong bullish, right? We're just rejecting the 20 right now. It looks like we went for a close retest. We just haven't gotten it yet. Let's go on the weekly, see what this is doing there. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the RSI, higher, right? Nothing on the weekly. So let's go to the 4 hour. And here I didn't anchor stuff on the daily. On stocks I rarely go shorter time scales. But we'll go here and you know, well, since we got a request, I'll just do it a little bit more in depth. You know, stocks that I pick, I just don't go too much in detail, right? Again, that's just my preference. Stocks I don't do day trading. Well, sometimes I do day trading, but I usually like to do swing trading, right? So I hold on to positions a little bit longer. So strong bullish against the MACD, and then from right here, and from right here, strong bullish against the RSI, and then here we also have it here, right? Okay, so I'm strong bullish, got the nice rally happening again. Low, higher, low, right? We're creating some hidden bearish. I'm not gonna go to the 1 hour though. I'm actually go to the 1 hour on the very last short straw here. High, lower, high, positive is positive, high on the RSI, lower on that RSI. Nothing there. Let's go here short scale, right? Here we do have something, right? Low, lower, low, right? We're creating lower, low there. We do have an island separation that makes it a little bit more valid, to be fair, right? So we have this small island here. Again, I forgot to anchor this on. It's gonna go to the 1 hour. I'm gonna have to clean up Sorry, guys. I know you hate the cleanup. I hate the cleanup too. If I forget, then, you know, I gotta do it. It got to do what it got to do, right? Otherwise, the charts become very, very messy. We don't want messy charts. We want clean charts. Clean charts are good for the soul. Right, again, I'm not caring about pinpointing the past. I just wanted to highlight what was going on. And then here, right, we have this movement from -2 to less negative, right? And on the RSI, we don't have it. Maybe here, short term. Let's see, low, slightly higher. No, nothing against the RSI, just against the MACD, right? Strong bullish, trying to rally. We'll see what goes from there. Cryptic, thank you. Amazing analysis. Great potential for solo. Yeah, dude, it has some upside. I haven't seen. Yeah, it doesn't seem like you're making all-time lows, right? Which is good. Something else that I'm noticing here on the 4-hour though, it's again, it's just gonna be very subjective, right? If I anchor from back here and I go there, right, we would be breaking out of whatever resistance. We're just moving sideways though, right? And I'm trying to gauge if we're holding on some support, which I believe we might have just broken it sideways, because if I was looking for support, I would be going here, and we'd just be breaking that, right, to the downside. Again, maybe the 1-hour, I'll be able to see something a little bit better. Again, there's tightness on the Bollinger Bands here. Lots of tightness on the Bollinger Bands, right? High, lower, high, possible is positive. High on the other side, lower, right? Nothing there. Negative, low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the other side. Slightly higher, I would say. 31.92, 32.58, yeah, slightly higher. So nothing there either, right? Let's go check this one out. Low, slightly higher, negative, less negative, low, there's higher. Nothing here, dude, really. So we have something bearish here, right? Some hidden bearish, and that's what moved us down on these last couple hours, I would say. There, and then here to here. Again, if there's news, and if there's fundamentals, that there's a fleet vehicles news soon, maybe right there, Electra, what is this? Electra Mechanica Vehicles Corp, or VHIS Corp. If they're gonna do something and there's gonna be news coming out, they could impact the price to the upside, and they would just be going on fundamentals, right? Not technicals. And fundamentals are a big driver in stock markets, right? Because we don't get a lot of, like, stock markets are a little bit more quiet, right? Crypto, you get a lot of chatter, right? You know when something's gonna get listed, you know when something's gonna get released, because people have a hard time keeping their mouth shut in crypto. But in stocks, that's considered to be insider information, and a lot of people get into trouble for releasing news prior to a press release or prior to something officially releasing. If there's something coming out, right, it could be noise, right? There's speculation happening. It's more speculative on the news, and we tend to go up more on sometimes speculation, but I would say on actual news we could get movements, right? Yeah, nothing here that is bullish right now. Neutral at 48.78, again, struggling to hold on to at 20, right? Maybe on the daily I'm going to get a better look at this. Again, maybe if I ignore this back here and I go from here to here, right? And then I go from here to here. Right, again, I'm not trying to, like, hunt for stuff that's not there. I'm just trying to look for something here, right? I'm not sure if I should ignore this. I could if I consider that the top and then this is the next bottom. And again, charting is one of those very, very subjective things, right? I can chart it a certain way. Someone else would like to chart it a different way. Dude, I wouldn't say that it's a downsloping triangle, but it's a little bit of a falling wedge, right? So we do have a falling wedge, and we're getting tighter on that spot. So yeah, dude, we could, you know, falling wedges are bullish in nature. They tend to break to the upside most of the time. And that, with the fact that we have some strong bullish developing, right, on the daily, could bring the price action to the upside on a break, right? That would be good. And we have tightness of the Bollinger Bands, meaning volatility has left the market. We could be getting that to happen again, right? That strong move. Now, what quarterly earnings is this? Right, so this had a good surprise, right? This is August 11, right? It came out good, right? Look, they were expecting a loss of 11 points, or that's what they were estimating. Sorry, they took a loss of 0.20, so they lost a little bit more, actually. Sorry, not good. It's bad. I thought it was going to be positive for a second, but no, they lost more, right? They took a bigger hit, probably from COVID, right? A lot of companies are suffering from COVID effects, and that's what I told you guys, right? We haven't gotten the full grasp of what the COVID effect's going to have in the market, and that's going to be a significant player as to where the economy could go, right? We know the economy is probably going to adjust, and that going to mean that the markets are going to have to adjust. we haven't gotten that correction or that strong correction yet. It's gonna happen, right? We're gonna get it. Anyways, that's what I see here for Solo, dude. Maybe in the monthly there's something. Again, it's a stock. It's data rich, so we can look farther back in larger time frames for us to determine things, right? Hitting the monthly is really not loading yet. Again, it's not a super expensive stock, right? It's only at $2.60. It's cheaper than a lot of crypto. Look, the only thing I don't like is it's just been going downhill throughout its life, right? At least since October 2017, right? All-time highs, and then just moving down forever, man, right? Even here, right? We managed to get the same low. Maybe we found some support here, right? Double bottom on the monthly, right? Yeah, we could call this a double bottom. I wouldn't have any objections against this being a double bottom. Right, this would be an atom. This is looking a little bit more like an Eve, But again, if it is a double bottom, right, we could be looking for a reversal. Then the neckline. Yeah, we could be looking for a reversal. Again, right now, impulse up. It looks like we're flagging on the monthly, right? Look, impulse up, flag starting to form. Again, down sloping consolidation, tight. We could be going for that next impulse up. Yeah, dude, you're right. This looks like it could move up, right? It has some technicals for potential action to the upside. So yeah. Right on the monthly, potential double bottom, right? I'm just going to call it that because I'm not sure if this is going to be a double bottom that plays out. Again, I'm not familiar with the stock. I'm not familiar with the oh, snap. I didn't want to do that. There we go. I'm not familiar with the stock too much, so, I just can go on some, on what I look at this technically, right? Again, not a lot of data here for us to be able to do anything. If anything, that movement down here on the monthly would be coming from here. I want this in the 4 hour. I don't want it on the weekly, just on the monthly. There we go. We are creating some hidden bearish, right? And we're moving down. But again, on impulses up, we flag, and then we could go for another leg. So, another leg up, right? That's it for this project. Again, guys, if you have any requests, let me know, right? On the chat, on the Discord, or on the chat live, not on the Discord. There were no queues on the Discord, by the way. I checked pre-stream. There was no pre-stream requests, so we jump onto whatever happens here. On that note, if you like what we do, hit that like that bell and that sub, right? Don't be strangers. Like the channel. Follow us. Recommend it to your friends if you think they'll like it. Why not? Right? It's free. If they don't like it, they can cancel. We won't be like the cable company where they don't allow you to cancel, right? They make it really hard for you to cancel. Just kidding. Anyways. Bitcoin again, dude. Just going to do a quick run through Bitcoin. Again, we got pullback here happening, right? We're looking for potential head and shoulders. We did go slightly higher again. And we're talking about this again. Let's see where we close, dude. It's about a 7% move higher. Again, I would have liked this shoulder to be slightly lower. I'm waiting for this to develop more on the daily, right? On this chart. And I had something else drawn on Bitcoin. I can't remember if it was this chart or another chart, right? Here we had the head and shoulders, right? Then move down on that, and then we had this move. Yeah, this is the one I wanted to show. I rarely look at this chart live right now because our main chart for analysis is the other one that we have present. So that note again. Here we go. Right. So again, a movement to the upside, right? To get a measure move from where we broke, and we would be expecting to hit a measure move of 11,129. Right. We haven't gotten there. 11,129 is very close to where we have here, right? Our support again, we had that triangle pattern that we broke to the upside again. Get a measure move, we haven't gotten it. Again, Bitcoin again. Nothing here. Again, holding support on the 20. That's great. Let's go to the 4 hour. Hidden bullish, rallying a little bit, right? We have strong bearish still. Strong bearish could trump hidden bullish and move down still. Again, retest of the 20 maybe, and then retest of 10,837. If we hold on to that support, we could go try to get another rally to maybe go for 11,120. But if we fail, we could really be looking at 10,647 again. So let's go to the 1 hour. Hidden bullish, strong bullish, right? Sorry, hidden bullish, strong bullish, action upside again, holding on to that 20 beautifully, starting to go up again today. Impulse up, start consolidation starting to happen, right? So it's okay right now. Nothing to worry about Bitcoin. I'm not worried about it yet. Neutral at 53.35, right? If anyone has any requests, let me know. I'm gonna check out RSR real quick, just because I'm taking a massive bidding there, dude. Right? And again, everyone takes hits, right? Look at 13 cents. What? Again, still coming lower, dude. I don't like this now. I don't like it. Please save me. Where were we at here? 28. Now we're sitting at like 29. So, you know, we still have this kind of like, we're not kinda. We have this strong bullish. It's just not taking off, dude. Right? Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, strong bullish, failing to take off, moving slightly lower. And again, as we're moving lower, we're still creating that strong bullish, and we're failing to take off, failing to even reach the 20. Looking a little bit bearish. I mean, we could just be like accumulating before we take off, right? Again, I don't want to be positive on this project. I know I'm taking it like really hard. I'm losing over half of what I put in this. It wasn't that much. It was about $100, but it was an experimental thing for this project, you know. Sitting sold at 38.71. And again, everyone takes hits, right? You gotta learn how to roll with the punches. I should have exited way back when I told you guys, and I just didn't execute, and now I'm paying the punishment for that. I'm paying hardcore, dude. Look at this, right? We move lower, so I could go from this low, right, to that low there. Look at that, right? Low, lower, low, right? So let's make sure this is gonna be on the 1 hour. There we go. Yay! And look at this, right? Low, negative, less negative, low on the RSI, right? Even here, right? Low, higher, right? Even here we have that, right? So again, you know, from here to here, you know, it's all over the place. Strong bullish. Strong bullish here, we got the rally. We created hidden bearish, we moved down now. We created strong bullish here against the RSI. We could even take it as a straight line, right? And again, strong bullish, waiting for the action to the outside, getting it, but failing high, lower, high. Lower, high, positive, high on the other side, lower. Nothing happening there. But we're just failing to take off on this project. Now, we're starting to create some hidden... I'll just go from here to here. And from here to here, right? So we're starting to create a little bit of hidden bullish, right? That's why we're getting a retest of the 20. Failing to get above it, not what I want to see here. I want this to get above the 20, held support and bounce. Tightness of the Bollinger Band starting to come in. Neutral at 45.79 on that RSI, right? That's it for RSR project. Now I'm gonna go check out DVT because there's no request in DVT at 7.8 sats, bro. Again, not advertising, not shilling the project. I'm invested in it, right? I mean, full transparency here. You guys know that. But it's a good project for learning, man. Look, you could have gotten here at 6.7 sats. Right now, you would be making one whole sat. So we're making about 18% or so, right? Look at this. Right, no lies when I tell you guys, it's a good area for trading. 18%, almost on the dot. Again, good practicing crypto project, right? Again, sideways motion. I'm gonna get some indicators out here. I don't have anything. I'm gonna bet we're gonna create something. I'm not sure yet. RSI. Let's get the MACD right. I didn't want to write it there. There we go. MACD. I'm just gonna adjust this real quick. Columns, and then make it green just for me. From the eyes. There we go. Well, what do we have here, right? Look, we're coming in slightly higher. We're just converging, right? And that's nothing bearish. And here we don't have anything bearish either, right? We're just going slightly higher. That's great. Nothing bearish. Do we have something bullish here? Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low, and there's... Yeah, we have some strong bullish from here to here. And from here to here, right? So again, price action to the upside, right? We're getting that movement up. Right now, moving down slightly. Maybe here, short term, right? We do have some bearish divergence from here to here. Right, and from here to here, right? So type 2 bearish, potential action to the downside, right? We're starting to move down slightly. This is medium bearish divergence that we're making. So, you know, we're just going to roll with that for right now. Again, we have some strong bullish prior to that. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Again, coming in slightly higher now. We're starting to create that bearish divergence here as well, right? Look, higher and from positive to a less positive and a being overbought to just being bought, right? So yeah, on that note, price action to the downside, right? Bearish divergence strong. That's what we're looking at in the 4-hour. Hope we managed to pump and get rid of this. Not against the MACD, but against the RSI, we can get rid of it very quickly. That's what I'm waiting for this to do. On the daily. On the daily, we talked about this, right? Coming from here to here and here to here. And now even from here to here, we didn't have it before, but now we have it. Some hidden bearish potential action to the downside, right? The thing with hidden bearish, remember, is you keep on rallying, you keep on going higher until we no longer have it. So on that note, that's it for DVT. Let's go to over here, man. Not a lot of people tuned in today. Thank you all for being here, by the way. Whoever's tuned in, you guys are amazing. On that note, there's not going to be any requests coming up today. So we just got that solo request from Cryptic, and then there's really nothing else coming up. So I'm just going to start doing the rest of the stuff, right? Gold, silver, you know. And if you guys have any requests, just put them on the chat. Otherwise, after I finish oil, if there's no request, I'm just going to call it a stream, right? Might be a short stream today. It might be a short stream today. Let's check this out. Check. Dailyo, there we go. A lot of indecision in silver, right? We're just stuck at $27 per troy ounce. Neutral at 54.21. Let's go to gold. Again, gold, you know, again, hitting that 20, trying to hold on support there. That's great. Not a lot being developed here. Seeing it neutral at 52.54. Let's go to stocks. S&P lost 28 points. What? Yes, it moved down, right? It gapped down. Pull up, nothing happening still, right? After we call that hidden bullish. Nikkei down 156 points. This one did go down, right? A little bit more on bearish divergence, right? Strong. We had it. We called it a couple days ago. Still playing out. Toronto near the 20. Toronto down 48 points below the 20. Rejected, moving farther down. Again, nothing here. High, low, negative, less negative. Low on their side, higher, right? Nothing here. Let's go to London. Down 132 points. Nothing developing either, right? Last thing we had was strong bearish. Still in play, neutral at 51.33 on the RSI. Let's go here live at this. Can I go over Uni? Yeah, dude. Didn't that like they have like an airdrop and a lot of people started selling it today? Well, check out Uni. Unicorn. Unicycle. Unibrow. You know, we'll check that. Again, bullish, hidden, action downside, rejecting 20, moving lower, right? That's the Dow live right now. Again, on rejection of the 20, let's go to Dow, the actual market, how it closed. Oh, man. Did it lose 130 points? Yes, it did. Shamed, right? Look, it moved down. It managed to rally up a little bit again. Rejection of the 20, moving lower. Last thing we had was the hidden bullish, playing us to the upside, but rejecting the 20, moving slightly lower. Let's go check out oil, and then we'll check out Uni. Again, hidden bullish, actually the upside, getting over that 20, nice. Start make positive momentum, nice also, and neutral at 53.92 on there. So we don't have anything here on oil. Right, so it's great. Again, waiting for it to develop something. This other way, what is this Brent oil? This other brand, again, same thing, right? Getting over the 20. Again, same stuff, right? This is West Texas. I definitely got above the 20 on West Texas, right? Yeah. Again, we're not creating anything yet. Right, high, lower, high, positive, high on the side, lower, positive over here, less positive, right? Nothing, we're just waiting for this to play out, mate. We just got above the 20, we might test that resistance at 42.10. So what happens there, right? But Jay, did I get into Uni at all? You didn't, but everyone basically got free $1,200. Yeah, dude, I didn't. There was an airdrop. I'm not sure. Dude, I didn't know what I had to do for the airdrop. By the time I read it, you know, I'm not sure if it already happened, but it was already out. I didn't really care much about Uni. It was free dough, right? It was a good sizable chunk. A lot of people just dumped it. I even saw your buddy Ken Bosak saying that he just paid $100 on Ethereum gas fee so he could just sell it and dump that because it was pumping. So we're gonna check out Uni right now. You need Bitcoin. You need to the Bitcoin. Yeah, dude, it went insanely up, right? Look at that. There's not a lot of data. It's just a day listing. One is great, look. I just went to. I paired it against Bitcoin. I went to put it against the dollar. Here we go. Against the dollar. Dude, look at this. This was such an amazing project today, right? It started at 0.28. It did go all the way to $3, dude. That is an insane pump, right? It's not even calculating it. It can tell me how much it went up. Like probably breaking the machine there, dude. Look at that, 1,000 and change % gains today, and then until today, right? 1,160% gains, just free, bro. Right? What is the RSI at, dude? There's no RSI at because it's probably way overbought. But there's no RSI because there's no data. Maybe the short time scales might not even have an RSI. It's too young of a project. But isn't this insane how high it went? Again, if you got it free and you got free here at 29 cents, however many units, it just became like you got a lot of free dough, right? Look at this, right? No data here either. We're just going up, right? Again, upsloping up, impulse up, upsloping consolidation. We know what happens with that. We break down. Again, rising wedge. Initial action to the downside. On the 1 hour, starting to make something on the RSI, right? Yay for the RSI. We have something. Again, too young of a project. Not a lot of data. Not a lot of bars. Do I wish I would have gotten some of this free? Yeah. Was I following this project? Not really, bro. Look, potential topping here, right? High, same height. 1, twice, 3 times. We're just going slightly higher now. Yay. We don't have a lot of data. Right, we're going to the same high, but look, if I may do something here, I'll go from there to there, and then from here to here, right? Look, we have divergence against volume. That's the only thing I could say, right? Against volume, some bearish divergence, potential action to the downside again. Right, and on the RSI here, we can do something, right? We were slightly higher a couple seconds ago, but, you know, we're going there, and we're coming lower, right? So if we're not making type 2 bearish, which would be a medium bearish divergence, we would definitely start to create strong bearish, but it would be very brief because this is just almost at the same level, right? This is 58.33 and this is just 57.22. Again, not data rich yet. It's all speculative in nature on this project. I would just be careful. If you got in free, man, that's great. If you got in at these lower areas, might be a good way to get out right now. Right, you're making about $1 above entry level. But again, this could become the next sushi. Just be careful. Again, today, I think I'm just going to keep it short today for the stream. We've just been live for about an hour. Some guy said that they were able to claim the 400 Unicoins 2-3 times. They use different wallets on Uniswap. You only use one wallet. Did you got some free? Dude, I think it's all out, right? I think it like went out really quickly. Especially after it started pumping and a lot of people claimed it, right? But, you know, I didn't claim any. Dude, I'm not sure if you're out of your position, but like take profits, right? 1,000+ gains, it's a good enough profit. If you're greedy, you might be looking to take less profits, or maybe even taking a massive hit. So just be careful. I'm not saying it's not any advice or anything. If you haven't taken profits, you know, just take profit. Just a guy said he burned 17 old addresses that would have qualified if he had the keys still. Yeah, it sucks, bro. Again, you know, there's gonna be a lot of stuff going on here, right? You just turned into Ethereum and kept Ethereum. Yeah, it's a smart way to do it. I'm glad for you, dude. You did the right thing. You need to use Uniswap on your Ethereum wallet. Dude, I don't even have an Ethereum wallet. I just have my Ethereum wallet in an exchange. I'm not holding any Ethereum right now. That's about it, dude. I didn't get to claim it. I didn't claim any. I don't have any problems with not claiming it. It's just free dough, right? If it's free, I didn't have it, I still don't have it. So I don't have any problem with it, right? If it was dough that I had put in, then I would have a problem with taking a hit. MetaMask, easy to use. Yeah, maybe, bro. Jake, can you still claim any of these? Or is it all out? I think it's all out, right? Everyone's claimed this, so I'm not sure there's any left. Right? And if you get something, it's probably like gonna be like a fraction of a cent or whatever. Music turned very dark. I used Uni before September 1st. Dude, fuck that, dude. I didn't use Uni before. I'm not using Uni now. So there's no way I'm going to get it, right? It was a snapshot? Yeah. Well, you know. You can't gain them all. Or you can't win them all. So, you know, I just... fuck that, man. There's going to be plenty of other projects coming out with their, like, airdrops and shit, right? Everyone gets it. Just needed to claim. And it's waiting for you. Alright. Yeah, I don't have any, dude. I'm not even sure if if Coinbase did something where I didn't have to do jack, then I might be able to claim some. But if Coinbase didn't do anything, then no, dude. I don't know if Binance did something where I didn't have to do anything, then maybe, because I just have the exchange wallets for Ethereum, so that's about it, though. I don't have a straight up Ethereum wallet. Every time I bought Ethereum, it was just on the exchange, and traded it on the exchange, and I didn't care for having an Ethereum wallet. Good stream tonight. Yeah, dude, thanks, man. I appreciate that. Again, we can just chill, right? I'm just gonna be right back, though. Just give me a quick second, though. Gotta do something. Yo, I'm back. Thank you all for being here and waiting for me as I just went and did something very, very quickly. Yo, no problem, man. I think I'm just gonna call it the stream for tonight, man. Again, we made like boneless. I don't know why they call them boneless wings, dude. They're really not wings. They're just chicken breast, breaded chicken breast, right? That's it. So we made like breaded chicken breast, lemon pepper, garlic parmesan, and mango, spicy mango something sauce. So, dude, super hungry. Dude, I haven't had anything to eat yet. Like, we thought they're gonna be done sooner, but we're doing it in a non-fryer way. So we're like, basically just coat the chicken with a little bit of olive oil and then just pass it through like the whole breading mix of whatever you want to do, and then you just put it in the oven. And it just took forever in the oven, dude. But it's really good. I just went out and tasted one. But yo, for sure, man. I thank you all for being here, guys. You guys are amazing. I like the fact that you guys are here every night, dude. It's so cool to come here and have you guys to talk to, have you guys discuss crypto projects, crypto gains, crypto failures, crypto whatever happens. So thank you all for being here, for sure. If you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub, right? So that sounds so good. Yeah, dude, because it's like non-fried, right? So it's like less, like it's still not as healthy, but it's more healthy than if I had fried the chicken. And it looks really good because then, the breadcrumbs, they just crispen up more, right? You don't have to fry them and then have them absorb all the grease. They just become, super, super, crispy from just, getting that burning in the oven, right? Or that heat in the oven. It's super easy to make, dude. I just grabbed the breading mix. I put some, garlic parmesan powder in it. Mix it up. Put the chicken in oil, like I said, and then just put it on top of that, dude. Bread it, and then put it in the oven, right? And then same thing with the lemon pepper, right? Just put the lemon pepper mix in the breading mix, right? Put it there, and then you just put it right in the oven. Because since they're not coming out of the fryer, right? You cannot toss the powder post facto because it's not gonna stick, right? It's not gonna be wet. So you have to like put it with the mix, and it's really good, dude. It's we've made chicken like that before. I thought this one was gonna be quicker, but we'd like put 3 types of chicken in, so you know it just took longer than expected, and we had to like put it in batches. And the last one just came out, so the wife was actually taking care of that as I was here doing the stream. But it's good chicken though. I had a small bite as I went out real quick just to make sure everything was good. But yo, thank you for being here. I think we're gonna call it a stream, dude. Right? We don't have a lot of people. Chat was really good, but right now there's really not a lot of talk going on there. You know, Uniswap, yeah, it's a you know, some of us got it, some of us didn't, so that's fine. Yeah, you know, taking it. Hit on RSR, doing good on DVT. I'm doing really good on DVT, dude. I think my DVT is definitely way more than offsetting my RSR for sure, man. And you know, I'm happy. I'm happy with my holdings. I'm happy with what I'm doing. So, yeah, I'm happy doing this stream. It's also amazing to be here every night and talk with y'all. I was trying to see if we're gonna get any subs tonight. I don't think there's any new people coming in, you know, but. See if still sitting half in cash for your crypto. Yeah, bro, you know, smart thing to do, right? Are you going to get a better entry where? Am I going to get a better entry here? Here where? Bitcoin? Like, I just have the Bitcoin chart open. I'm not sure if you're talking about Bitcoin. I'm not sure what you're trying to get into. So let me know, and I'll let you know. Right? You want to get some decent Ethereum? Dude, Ethereum, I think it's high, dude. Ethereum's hot right now. Right, it's managing to hold on to the 20, right? I mean, you're more or less mid-line of that channel, which is okay. I think here would have been a good entry for Ethereum, right? At 364, maybe exiting right now at 387, right? Like, we talked about this move happening. Bitcoin, we're also talking about the move on Bitcoin, right? Yesterday, dude, I even like went and posted on the Discord, and I had to like look up the timestamp. I just couldn't timestamp it from my cell phone. But Bitcoin, you could have gotten a good in yesterday and a quick exit today, right? Your in would have been here, right? 10,800. I wouldn't have caught this one. I probably would have entered somewhere around here, as we held support right here, as we held support here, as we held support. And then you could have taken a quick move, right? It's not a lot, but it's still good enough, right? 1.29%. So, yeah. Try if you want to get some dough. Try like, I mean, again, I don't want to seem like I'm pushing this project, but check out DVT, man, for sure. Look, last couple days, look at how well it's performed, right? It's gone from here to here, dude. Right, like 52% in the last 6 days or so, right? So we're not talking about a huge time frame, but we're talking about better gains than a lot of other like main crypto projects. Not than some smaller projects, but some large crypto projects. And like I said, with very little money, you can get a sizable chunk of position here, right? Yeah, this one has a lot of upside potential, right? Look, a 5 would have been an awesome aim, to be fair, right? I got in at 5. For most of my chunk, and then against this is probably gonna undo the charts, but against Bitcoin Cash, I got in around 99. Right now against Bitcoin Cash, sitting at 121, which is not that much. Probably just hasn't caught up. But you know, right now, if you're getting against Bitcoin Cash, you're probably gonna be doing really good. Look, against Bitcoin Cash is at 121. It took a massive hit. It's not gonna matter. You're gonna get a good position against Bitcoin Cash, but you can exit against Bitcoin, right, and take a massive movement to the upside. When I got in, like I said, around 99 here. I got in at 99. I got a sizable position filled, and that lowered my whole average entry value to around 4 and change, right? Because a lot of my other chunk was at 5. So I ended up going around 4 and change. So whatever it goes up a little bit, right, I'm just doing massively great. So I'm about... not right now. Right now, I'm not about 3 times, but I'm almost 2 point something, right? Because the exchange rate benefited me also, so I was able to buy a little bit more. So it's really good, man. You can get it against Bitcoin Cash very cheap, and this is gonna go up, dude. It has to go up against Bitcoin Cash. Just the only thing, dude, is that there's not a good book against Bitcoin Cash. It takes forever to fill. And if you look at the spread, it's insane. You go from 122 to 390. That's a huge, huge spread. Again, that drop here, probably selling their position against Bitcoin Cash, and it could go up a lot. If you get 24,000 DBT, you can put in an address in one transaction and get 1% a month. Yeah, dude, that is true, and I can show you that. I haven't opened my wallet in a couple days, so I'm probably gonna sing, but you know. Right, look, all my wallets, all my all the wallets that I have, right? They're all giving me some dough, right? Call rewards, whatever, you know. Like my tips wallet, I think you got a tip or something, maybe. Or just cold reward, not cold rewards. You know, but you get the 1%, and that's pretty good. You can add up more DBT just by holding a little bit of DBT, right? And like I said, you get a good sizable chunk here. I took a withdrawal to put it back in the exchange for trading, which I'm just waiting for it to get a certain level so I can sell and buy back in, right? But Jake said he's gonna buy more. I'm about to buy more DBT with my transaction every month now. Wow, cool. That's pretty cool, dude. Jake's probably gonna drive the price up again if he buys it. So if you can try to get in today before Jake buys, you're probably gonna take a quick exit and make good percentage gains. Again, dude, like I said, it's not that I want to push for the project, but it is a good project, right? It's a solid project. You can go on their Discord and talk with them, right? They're super friendly, but just like trading here and gaining here, it's super easy because it's so small that any movement to the upside gets you like good dough, right? Even here, look, you could have bought today around 6.7 and then exit, or like even right now, if you would exit, you would still be making 16% gains. No other crypto project is giving you that right now. And look at this moves, right? It's not the only time it's made it. Look back here, right? From here to here, like even if you would have exited here, an 18% gain, right? Look, if you would have exited here, let's say, an 11% gain. So you can make consistent small gains here on this project. And there's a little bit of volume that gets traded. But the more people that are aware of this, the more volume it will get traded here. And the better it'll just do overall. I just really, really happy for this project, right? What can you find? What the project is? Devault, dude. Yeah, Jake just put up the website. It's a microcap hidden gem. Yeah, dude, I do believe it's also a hidden gem. That's why I'm hodling it, right? I want to add more. I have money set up. I'm not sure if I just want to put more here. I already have enough here. What you saw in the wallet, it's not my total holdings. There's some here in the exchange as well. I'm not logged in. And this is not the only amount that I sent to the exchange. I have like another 100 plus holdings in the exchange. And then I also have some on the Discord, right? So, yeah. Jake's been buying since February. I just started buying it in June. So I did hear about it a little bit late. But it was Jake that told me it was a good project, right? So February, dude, you started getting at around, what, 16 cents, dude, for reals? Sorry, 25 cents. Sorry, 25 sats, 2.5 sats. 2.5 sats, dude, that's a good in, right? Like, I got in somewhere around here, right? June, before June 1st, because I remember this spike. And then I remember this also, right? So I was live here. I got somewhere around here. I'll buy your jam, you buy mine. Dude, what is your jam, Steve? But also, if you want to mine it, you can mine this. It's also SHA 256 mineable, right? Or compatible. So you can mine this. Waiting for that 100x. I do believe this project can go to $1 at some point in time. Again, this happened way when it got listed, right? So, you know, I would ignore this mess back here, right? And concentrate on the short term and the possible gains for this. Again, it's been around for about a year now, a little bit more than a year. But the moves are still there, right? You can still make smart moves potential, right? Distex, bro. All right. Distex. Well, I'll just write that one down. Shit, I can't write. I'll check it out, bro. I'll see what it does. We'll go here first. What? 42 coin? Oh, it went down. 29. Haha. 42 coin taking a hit. $0.08. 8.9 cents. I'm not sure what this project does, dude. Is it young? I'd say a new project, right? It just started in September. Where's it listed? Let's check it. Let's check. All right, let's check for some data first. Market cap. 2.8 million. Volume traded the last 24 hours. 455,000. Securely supply 32,148,833. Total supply 50 million. Wow, that's not bad, dude. Right, more than half it's circulating already. In value at 0.08 cents, right? Jake's gonna head over to Boombox or Box Mining or whatever his name is, right? Thank you, Jake. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. This text, right? Interesting. Let's see where it's trading, dude. Uniswap, Blacksea, Hotbit, and Probit. All right, so none of the exchanges that I'm trading in right now. Sadly enough. Yo, anyways, like I said, dinner's out though, so I'm gonna go have dinner. It started at around 15 cents, sitting about half of its value right now. Not bad, right? I want to check it out. Again, that's gonna be it for tonight. We're live for an hour and 10 minutes, an hour and 11 minutes, right? We don't have to like do marathons here at night. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for joining me tonight. This is a pleasure being here with you guys tonight for this awesome stream. Again, thank you all for being here. I really appreciate your support and helping bring awareness to this channel. On that note, I'll end the stream, and I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of the State of Crypto. Until then.